birthday of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. So I am here to say a few words about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, infinite series, etc. He once said, "An equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God." Every year, December 22nd is regarded as National Mathematics Day as it is the birthday of Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity. Thank you.
Good morning to all. As we all know that today is National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated to commemorate the contributions of Srinivasa Ramanujan in the history of mathematics. He was born in the year 1887. After completing his studies, after a lot of financial difficulties, he got a scholarship in Government Arts College. But he was so focused in maths that he could not focus on any other subject and thus failed in all the subjects except maths, losing his scholarship. Srinivasan never got formal training for his extraordinary capabilities in maths. He was gifted with it. He could quickly do all the mathematical equations within minutes. 1729, 4104, 13,832, 20,683, etc. are some of numbers of Ramanujan. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Happy morning to all. Today I am going to say about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan, Iyengar, December 22nd, 1887 to April 26, 1920, was an Indian mathematician. He is considered to be one of the most talented mathematicians in recent history. His father's name was Swami and mother's name was Kamalada Ammal. On 1st October 1892, Ramanujan was enrolled at a local school. He did not like school, so he tried to avoid attending. He had no formal training in mathematics. However, he was made a large contribution to number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. He was mentored by G.H. Hardy in the early 1910s. After getting his degree of Cambridge, Ramanujan did his own work. He compiled over 3,500 identities and equations in his life. Some of the identities were found in his closed notebook. When the notebook was discovered, mathematicians proved almost all of Ramanujan's work. His discoveries have led to many advancements in mathematics. His formulae are now being used in crystallography and string theory. In 2011, Ramanujan's birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Abhinav B of class 9. I am going to present about Ramanujan's magic square. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician. He introduced a magic square. A magic square is a n by n matrix in which every row, columns and diagonals add up to the same number. In Ramanujan's magic square is a 4 by 4 matrix in which we get the sum of 139, which is a prime number. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am going to tell about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. He had almost no formal training in pure mathematics. He made substantial contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions, including solutions to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. He developed his own mathematical problems in isolation. According to Hans Einstein, he tried to interest the leading professional mathematicians in his work, but failed for the most part. What he had to show them was too novel, too unfamiliar, and additionally presented in unusual ways. They could not be bothered. His academic advisors are G.H. Hardy and J.E. Littlewood. In his birthday, we celebrate as National Mathematics Day. 1729 is the Ramanujan Hardy number. 1729 is the smallest number which can be represented in two different ways as sum of two cubes. This means that when we add 1 cube plus 12 cube, we get 1729, and when we add 9 cube plus 10 cube, we get 1729. At last, he was died in 1920.
Friends, today is December 22, the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. So that I am telling a small speech about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician. He is considered to be one of the most talented mathematicians in recent history. His father's name was Kuppuswamy and mother's name was Komaladammal. On 1st October 1892, Ramanujan was enrolled at a local school. He did not like to school, so he tried to attending that. He had no formal training in mathematics. However, he has made a large contribution to number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction. Was murdered by G.H. Hardy in the early 1910s. After getting his degree at Cambridge, Ramanujan did his own work. He compiled over 3,500 identities and equations in his life. Some of identities were found in his lost notebook. When the notebook was discovered, mathematics provide almost all the Ramanujan's work. His discoveries had led to many advancements in mathematics. His formulas are now being used in crystallography and string theory. In 2011, Ramanujan's birthday was made an annual National Mathematics Day by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Thank you.
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുപ്രഭാതം. ഇന്ന് ഡിസംബർ 22 ദേശീയ ഗണിതശാസ്ത്ര ദിനം. നമ്മൾ കണ്ട ഏറ്റവും മഹാനായ ഗണിതശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞന്റെ ജന്മദിനം. ശ്രീനിവാസ രാമാനുജനാണ് ആ പ്രതിഭ. ആധുനിക ഇന്ത്യയിലെ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ വെല്ലാൻ മറ്റൊരു ഗണിതജ്ഞൻ ഇല്ല എന്നു തന്നെ പറയാം. കണക്കിന്റെ ഈ കളിത്തോഴന്റെ ഹ്രസ്വജീവിതം വളർന്നു വരുന്ന പ്രതിഭകൾക്കെല്ലാം വലിയ പ്രചോദനം ഏകുന്നതാണ്. ശ്രീനിവാസ രാമാനുജൻ ജനിച്ചത് തമിഴ്നാട്ടിലാണ്. 1887 ഡിസംബർ 22. ഈ റോഡിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ ജനനം. അച്ഛൻ ശ്രീനിവാസ അയ്യങ്കാർ ഒരു തുണിക്കടയിലെ കണക്കെഴുത്തുകാരനായിരുന്നു അദ്ദേഹത്തിന്റെ അച്ഛൻ. പഠനത്തിൽ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഗണനത്തിൽ അതിസമർത്ഥനായിരുന്നു രാമാനുജൻ. പലപ്പോഴും ഉയർന്ന ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കണക്കിലെ സംശയങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് രാമാനുജനായിരുന്നു. ഒരു ഈശ്വര വിശ്വാസിയായിരുന്നു രാമാനുജൻ. 1918 അദ്ദേഹത്തെ റോയൽ സൊസൈറ്റി ഫെലോഷിപ്പ് ലഭിച്ചു. രോഗം മൂലം അവശനായ അദ്ദേഹം 1919 ഇന്ത്യയിലേക്ക് മടങ്ങി. ഇന്ത്യൻ മാത്തമാറ്റിക്കൽ സൊസൈറ്റി വിഷ്ഠാകത്വം നൽകി അദ്ദേഹത്തെ ആദരിച്ചു. കണക്കിൻ്റെ അത്ഭുത ലോകത്ത് നിന്ന് ലോകത്തെ വിസ്മയിപ്പിച്ച ഈ പ്രതിഭ 1920 ഏപ്രിൽ 20 ഈ ലോകത്തു നിന്ന് യാത്രയായി. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.